Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Bros. On your mobile device. We'll cover everything from finding the official game to mastering its unique controls and exploring all the fun modes. Get ready to jump, run, and collect coins with Mario right in the palm of your hand. This guide will help you quickly get started and enjoy the classic Nintendo adventure adapted for modern mobile gaming. To begin your adventure, simply open your device's App Store, either the Apple App Store for iOS or the Google Play Store for Android. Search for Super Mario Run and tap to download. The initial download is free, allowing you to play the first few levels. For the complete experience, including all 6 worlds and 24 courses, a one-time purchase is required. Make sure your device has sufficient storage space. Playing Super Mario Run is incredibly intuitive, designed for one-handed play. Mario automatically runs forward, so your main interaction is tapping the screen. A quick tap makes Mario jump over small gaps or enemies. Holding your finger down allows for a higher, longer jump, perfect for reaching distant platforms or performing stylish moves. Timing your taps is key to collecting coins and defeating foes. Super Mario Run offers 3 engaging game modes to keep you entertained. First, the World Tour mode lets you progress through 6 vibrant worlds, each with 4 unique courses. Then, challenge friends or global players in Toad Rally, where you compete for coins and toads. Finally, use your collected toads and coins in Kingdom Builder to create and customize your very own Mushroom Kingdom.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.